Okay, we are looking at a 12-inch automatic fan, and it is the flapper type that closes up. You'll have to pardon my window. It didn't fit quite over the plastic when we took the plastic window off. I was going to put it inside and decided not to. So we have it wired up in here. It's set 82 degrees. When it's 82 degrees in here, the fan's kicking on, and it's on number setting 7, which maybe you can see that better now. See, it kicks back and forth. When the temperature drops, it'll go back down. But it is heating these batteries up, are heating up in here, the inverters. We do have the Humsienk 100% charge. We're staying 100% charged. We don't have any problem with battery power, even running ACs right now. But yeah, we just basically made the sandwich frame to close this in for the window instead of cutting another hole. This is for, I think it's 1,000 square feet or so, and this was the lowest power wattage. This was like a 25 watt power consumption compared to 55, 65, and 85 watts of power, not kilowatts, watts of power, excuse me. But I can feel the air just sucking through here right now, and that is from these inverters and batteries and the MPP. So yeah, I'll have a link below in that fan. You'll have the you can also get these in other sizes. You can get them in a 10-inch, 8-inch, or 14-inch. In retrospect, we probably could have, a 14-inch would probably fit better. We don't need that big a fan in here. A single 8-inch would have been more than sufficient. But the flappers open up when the power comes on, and when the power goes off, they close. You can see the fan in there, and it is exhausting air back out this way. I don't know if I have something. You can see the air coming out. So if y'all want to find an exhaust fan, these will work for your attics, these will work for your sheds, for your chicken coops, barns. Small fan can draw a lot of air out of there, and that'll make a big difference in the heat that stays inside of your building. So if y'all want something like this, check out my Amazon link below in the description. And as always, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.